Hey everybody, so this video I'm going to show you one issue with my MacBook Pro. So this MacBook Pro always redirect my search to bin, so something locked, like if I search anything, so it will flash quickly and redirect to bin. Okay, and I found during the redirection there's one website showing up in between those two searches, and it's quickly flashed and went away. I have to use my slow motion camera to capture this website. So basically this is the website who did bad to my computer. Okay, so obviously right now I already blocked it. Okay, so but I will show you how I resolve the problem. Yeah, first of all, I need to disable all the extensions here and reset my browser. Okay, reset. So those anyone is unusual, you can disable them or you can remove them. Okay, but this didn't solve my problem, so I went to the second setting is reset my browser. Yeah, here. So apparently it's in the advanced and reset, but even I reset, after I restart, my computer is still doing the same thing, redirect my search to Bing by this search button. Okay, so and another setting I have to do is in the users and the group preference, I need to look at these logging items, and I need to make sure I clean up all the logging item here. Apparently this didn't solve my problem either, so finally I found another way. I need to find out what's the real applications will run during my startup. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to use my Finder. Okay, my Finder. Okay, let's close this one and let's open up Finder here. So this is the Finder and I need to go to my computers. Okay, and get into my hard drive and go to users and go to my home folder and make sure this one is critical. Make sure you in the show view options, show library folder. Okay, show library folder, and then we have this library folder, so we can open it up and look at this. Okay, you need to look at the launch agent folder here, inside here. So remove all the item you don't want to launch. For sure, if you want for safe side, you can make a copy first, then remove them. After I remove them and restart my computer, those bad guys never come back again. Okay, so that's what I did. So right now if I search anything here, test, so now it's all good. It's using my default or whatever I want search agent to use it. It's not locked me to the Bing anymore. Okay, thanks.